Okay, this is awesome. It's not a crater of the moon. Take a close up of this thing. It's not a moon. Do not ask me what it is. I have no idea what it is. This is awesome. Boy oh boy, I'm telling you. I have no idea what the hell this is. But it's coming from under the water. I mean, maybe, I don't know what it is. Some creature, something down there is trying to come out. What in the hell is that? Bubbles are coming up, so I'm going to try to disrupt this. I want to know what it is. I'm sorry guys, I have to know what it is, just like you. Let's go inside and see what it is. I think it's a stream of water coming from underneath. The hell it is, it's still doing this. The hell it is, I'm out of here boy. Sally, I'm out of here. Cheers.